Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Flodesk email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a YouTube video into your Flodesk email? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a YouTube video into your Flodesk email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your customers, and sometimes you can include a YouTube video that might be relevant to the subject, whatever the case is. It's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a YouTube video into one of your emails, be sure to click on emails here on the top. Once you do that, you're going to see all the emails you currently have. Go ahead and choose the email that you want to add a YouTube video into. So for example, this one. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the email design editor, and to add a YouTube video, just kind of scroll through until you find the area that you want the video to show up. So for example, this one, maybe I want it to show up down here below the words. Once you hover over the words, you're going to see these plus icons. Click on the plus icon where you want the YouTube video to show up. All right, once you click there, you're going to see this menu pop up, and you want to click on this button here called video. All right, once you do that, you're going to see kind of a thumbnail for a YouTube video. And then off to the right here, you're going to see this box right here. This is where you're going to paste in your YouTube link. So let me jump over to YouTube. Okay, so the thing is, you can actually use any YouTube video as long as they have the share feature down here at the bottom. However, if you're going to use somebody else's YouTube video, just kind of be wary, because if they delete that YouTube video, you're going to end up with a broken link. So we're going to go ahead and just click on share. Next, you're going to go ahead and copy this link right here, and then we're done in the YouTube website. So we're going to go back here to Flodesk. Once you're back here in Flodesk, you're going to go ahead and paste in that link. Right now you can see it automatically pops up with that thumbnail. Now you can go ahead and change the thumbnail if you want. You can kind of zoom around, or you can zoom out, and you can see it automatically saves the YouTube video before we send it out. So you can see down here saved already. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into one of your Flodesk emails, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.